Today I have shared complete information about Google. History of Google. Google was launched in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin to market Google Search, which has become the most used web-based search engine. Larry Page and Sergey Brin, PhD students at Stanford University in California, developed a search algorithm at first known as Backrub in 1996 with the help of Scott Hassan and Alan Sternberg. They renamed it, and on the 14th of September 1997 Google.com was officially registered as a domain name. The search engine soon proved successful and the expanding company moved several times, finally setting at Mountain View in 2003. This marked a phase of rapid growth, with the company making its initial public offering in 2004 and quickly becoming one of the world's media companies. The company launched Google News in 2002, Gmail in 2004, Google Maps in 2005, Google Chrome in 2008, and the social network known as Google Jor in 2011, which was shut down in April 2019. In 2015, the Google is main subsidiary of the holding company Alphabet Inc. Google has engaged partnership with NASA, AOL, Sun Microsystem, News Corporation, Skyhook and others. The company set up a charitable offshoot, Google.org, in 2005. Google bought YouTube on the 9th of October 2006 with the US $1.65 billion in stock. Google search engine is currently maintaining about 90% market share. To 149 languages, Google is spread all over the world. The word Google was added to Merriam-Webster Dictionary and Oxford Dictionary in 2006 with the meaning to search for information. Larry Page worked as the CEO of Google until the year 1998. The current CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai, is holding the position since the 10th of August 2015. Google organizational culture. Google has an organizational culture built around the pillars of innovation and a superior employee experience. Google's organizational culture is successful because it avoids the mundane aspects of a typical corporation. Instead, the company focuses on creating a workplace environment conducive to the generation of innovative ideas. Google offers many perks. Employees can bring their pets to work, catch up on sleep in a nap pod, or receive a haircut from an on-site hairdresser. Google's organizational culture is also supported by an exhaustive recruitment process, a data-based approach to human resources, and the Think 10x rule for innovative ideas. Mission of Google: organizing the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Vision of Google: to provide access world's information in one click. Net worth of Google: the total net worth of Google in 2022 is $1,549 billion. In Indian rupees 120 lakh crore. Total asset is $357 billion. And net income is $74,539 billion. Google net worth and net asset in previous years. Number of the employees in the Google are 139,995. Google empowers its employees. Google cafes encourage people from different teams to interact and exchange ideas. Google Moderator is a tool that allows anyone to ask a question at a team meeting, with all team members voting on the questions they most want answered. TGIF is an end-of-week session in which all employees can ask questions directly to Google's executives. The Google Universal Ticketing System (GUTS) allows employees to file their problems centrally, and these are then collated to find the most common problems or patterns that need to be addressed. Googleologist surveys encourage feedback on hundreds of company issues. Teams of volunteers are then created from across the company to solve these problems. Google problem and challenges. The first problem of Google is company culture. The second problem of Google is Google threat, like a Facebook, Apple, Amazon. Third problem of Google is data privacy issues. The fourth problem of Google is search algorithm suspicions. Fifth problem of Google is policing free speech.
Google problem is solved only when privacy applied on everything in the form of copyright and etc. Future goals list of Google is Google executives are big on ambient computing. Future generations are more likely to be hooked on Google devices. Expect Google to buy someone big in the e-commerce space. Google will dominate the hardware industry. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.